So hi everyone, welcome to Go Classes. So this is a mentorship session for Go Classes RGUKT students. All the students who have joined in this session, you are from RGUKT. And for mentorship session for GATE 2027 Computer Science paper, we have invited our Go Classes topper, Umesh Chandra, who secured All India rank 77 in GATE CS 2026. Umesh followed Go Classes complete course, and also Umesh is from RGUKT. Umesh completed his BTech in 2026. Basically, with final year, he got all India 77. Okay. Umesh speaks Hindi, Telugu, and English, the three languages. You can discuss your doubts with Umesh. You can unmute yourself. Okay, one by one. You just raise your hand. If anyone has any doubt, either you can write your doubt in the chat. Okay, or you just raise your hand, and then one by one, Umesh will unmute you. Then you can ask your doubt by you can turn on your mic and you can speak and you can ask your doubts. You can ask your doubt either in English or Telugu or Hindi, these languages, and Umesh will reply. Umesh will resolve your doubts. Okay, so I will be here in this entire session. I will be here. If there is any doubt, any issues, or if any doubt you want to ask me, then you can write in the chat. Okay, or you can speak and you can ask me also. Okay, so we both are there in this session. Okay, I hope it is clear how the session will go. You just raise your hand if anyone has any doubt. If you want to ask anything related to preparation, related to anything, okay, you can just speak and you can ask. Okay, so let's go to Umesh. So Umesh, please give your introduction to the students who have joined this session. Yes, Umesh. Hello, Umesh. I think
Very good evening, everyone. My name is Umesh. I have
yes. There is
sir. I'm audible now.
yes.
Hello.
I think there was some internet issue, but now it is clear. Yes. Please introduce yourself, Umesh. Yes.
Hello, everyone. My name is Umesh, and I have secured all India rank of 77 this year in GATE 2026 with my final year. Even I gave GATE in my third year too, and I have secured all India rank of 2,800. And from then, I think there are people from all four campuses, right? All four campuses. Please type in
Yes.
your
Yes.
comments.
Yes. The students who have joined this session, RGUKT students, they are from all the four campuses. Yes, Umesh.
Yes, sir. I think you can go. You can ask your questions, or you can share your doubts. You can raise your hand. I'll answer your query one by one. And
Umesh, Umesh, you are from which campus?
sir, I'm from Srikakulam campus.
Okay. Now we can start. Like students, please raise your hands
I
if
would like
anyone
to
has
share,
any doubt.
sir, 5 minutes. I would like to share some points before
Yes,
starting all the questions.
definitely.
See, if you're a third year student, and if you're a third year student, you're at the right time to start your gate preparation, and that too along with go classes. You will have a lot of time. Give your third year attempt as a serious attempt and make it count, so that in case if you didn't, you can give you a gap after third year, and you can do well in fourth year attempt.
Umesh, Umesh,
Please make sure that if
there is
you're a
some
third year student,
Umesh, there is some noise in the audio. There is some noise, continuous noise in the audio. Can you check?
sir, is it there now?
No, now it's fine.
Yeah.
Yes.
So for third year students, I would suggest please take this attempt as your serious attempt and make it count. Yes, that's it, sir. That's it.
So any student, anyone want to ask, anyone want to discuss any doubt, any issues you are facing, or if you have any doubt related to preparation, related to how to handle preparation with the college, anything, anyone, please raise
Please
your
feel
hands,
free.
or you
Please
can
feel
ask in the
free
chat
to ask.
also. Yes, Umesh.
Please feel free to ask your questions. There's nothing like sir is there or anything like that. He's very friendly to us. He shares his insights with us if there's any problem.
Anyone? In the chat also you can write if you want. You can write in the chat also. From RGUKT, many toppers have many students have got top rank in GATE 2026 computer science paper. There are many students. You can see Umesh is one of them, all India rank 77. There are many more students in the top 1000 ranks, in the top 2000 ranks, in the top 100, in the top 50. Okay, from RGUKT. So, one thing that you got a very good environment. Okay, because see, you will see your seniors, and you can see that your seniors are performing exceptionally well in the GATE computer science paper, in the other GATE branches also. Okay, but because this session is for GATE CS 2026 mentorship, so I'm discussing the GATE CS. Okay, so your seniors have done exceptionally well. They have put their best efforts and they got top rank in GATE CS 2020, 2026. Okay, so feel free to ask your doubts. Okay, in the chat students are asking the doubts.
Yes, sir.
Umesh,
I'm
one
seeing
by
them.
one you can answer them. Yes.
Yes, sir. I'm seeing them. Would you like to know your preparation strategy in the final year? See, after I gave gate after I gave gate in my third year, I have got around all India rank of 2,800. Then from that, I have filled all my gaps where I am lacking. Especially, I have identified my subjects where I didn't get the full marks. Subjects like compiler, I got negative marks last time in my compiler. So I have identified all such flaws, and I have I have identified flaws and I have completed all those subjects. And by early October, I have completed my syllabus. I have completed my syllabus. Then I started giving mocks, and then everything it went well. Now coming to the strategy and all, I think in our college we'll get a lot of free time. Sir, one thing advantage in our college is we'll have college from 9 to 5 only, and that too there will be a lot of free time even in the college hours itself. So you can prepare with your college, like you can schedule your day into 3 slots, like 2 slots for completion of subjects and 1 slot purely for revision and completion for and solving PYQs, like practice, I would say. So in the first slot, make you complete that subject that you are very underconfident in the morning hours, early hours, like in your peak time. So you go with a subject that you are less confident or you're about to complete. In the second slot, what I have done is I used to go with the subject that needs revision. Where I completed that subject and that needs a revision. I used to do that in the second slot, and in the third slot I used to give tests and solve PYQs, and I used to do that. And I did the same thing till February 1st. And from then I have revised only one book, that is mistake log. I use it to maintain a mistake log. And from February 1st to February 7th, or we have an exam on 8th, I think so, on till February 7th, I have revised the mistake log a lot of times.
So this was the doubt that Pujita was asking.
Yes, sir.
And Pujita, is there any further doubt? You can raise your hand if you want to speak. You can speak also. Okay, anyone, if you want to speak, you can turn on your mic and you can speak also. Okay, or you can ask your doubts in the chat. There is no problem. So we have taken Pujita's doubt, and if there is any further doubt, Pujita, then please write in the chat. Okay. So Umesh, the next doubt Deepika is
Yes, sir.
asking. Deepika Madhuri.
Can you
Yes.
share your timetable how to prepare for gate exam? I mean, how you completed all subjects based on weightage of subjects or any other base? No, no, no. It's not like that. Basically, I have identified, like I have divided all subjects into two parts. Like one case, like C programming, data structures, the subjects which are very short. In the other case, subjects like CN, OS, DBMS that are very long. So what I did is, I took one subject from this short subjects and one subject from long, sir. I used to complete two subjects of short and one subject of long one, so that in that way I used to complete my subjects. Like even Deepak sir gave his schedule. You can follow that. Even it is good because sir has given in such a way that all the basics are clear first, and then advanced concepts are there to learn. So you can follow even that schedule. That schedule, like in orientation sessions, R has based on weightage. No, it is not at all based on weightage. It is completely like, first I use it to complete C programming, and then I followed data structures, and then followed algorithms. In the same way, I have done completed CD after completing TOC. So that it saves your time. If you start CD, you may face some difficulty. So in order to save time also, you should go in some sort of, like, even Sar even gave that order. You can follow that. It is entirely fine.
So Deepika, if there is any further doubt, if your doubt is not resolved, you can just ask your doubt in the chat. Okay. So
Mhm.
next, Umesh, next doubt is by Bhavya.
Yes, sir. I'm saying how to handle the subject responsible. There's no, like, there is no compulsion like you should handle two subject at once. If you're comfortable with completing one subject at a time, all the day you can go with that. But why I follow two subjects at the time is, if I follow only one subject entire the day, even I use it to get bored. So I follow two subjects at a time. There's no compulsion that you should go with two subjects at a time. There's nothing like that.
So
No,
Bhavya is
if
Umesh.
just one
Yes,
second.
yes. Umesh, yes, yes. Continue, please. Yes.
And you have said that you finished some subjects in semester. If you have better understanding of subjects, you please go through the, like, there are compact courses for some subjects. Like, if you know about go classes, there will be some compact courses for digital logic, discrete maths. If you have completed those subjects, you please follow compact courses and better check all the topics are covered or not. If not, you please cover them through compact courses. It will be beneficial and it will also save time. Better to say again. If you are in the third year, you please go the go for videos and complete them. There's no problem, because there will be a lot of misconceptions while we are learning in our semester. So it's better to go through the videos, or try to do questions then go. Once, if you complete your topic, you better solve practice questions immediately, the other day. And then if you still feel that you are not comfortable, you please revisit the concept again. And if you are not feeling, directly reach out to sir, or even there is a telegram group where they'll explain. So there's no problem like that. You can currently completed second year, yes, then it's your ideal time to start your gate preparation. But I'm saying this to everyone out there: if you start your gate preparation till, uh, like, you should stick to only one path. Like, I've seen many people this time where they have gone to where they have started their preparation for gate, and then they have gone to placements, and again and they didn't give their third year attempt, and they again in their fourth year they have come to gate. So it is where, like, you should not do like that, because it will have a very big bad impact. So please don't do that. If you come to gate, please stick to this path, and be confident that, yes, I can crack it. Or if you do on like switching your career between gate and placements, then of course it will be not that easy. You'll not go on to that place, that side or this side, and you'll just be like that. So please don't do that. If you're a third year student, please take, if you take some time, if you're serious about gate, then go for gate. There's nothing like, there's nothing like, after gate there will be no opportunities. No, it's not like that. After going to IITs, you'll get some better, more, some even a good life there. How can I say that? So it's not like that. So if you come to gate, stick to the gate only. Or you, especially while your friends are getting placed, you'll see like, yeah, my friends are being placed, then what should I do? Even I faced the situation during my, so one of my friend, he got 13.5 LPA, who is with me. Even at that time, I got I got my self doubt, but still I choose to stick to gate only. That I have given a lot of time for gate, so I'll go with the gate whatever it happens. So you please be stick to the only one path.
So Umesh, thank you
Yes,
for
that.
answering all the doubts of Bhavya. I also want to give just one input to the doubt of Bhavya. So Bhavya is asking that already completed some subjects in the previous semester. So is it better to see them again, or so this is the doubt. Now I want to answer it that if you if you have already studied some subject previously in the previous semester or from some other resources or in your college, then let me tell you that what you can do, you can save time also, and you can make sure that you do not miss anything. Okay, so what you can do for that subject, for that topic which you think okay you have already studied previously, then for that subject you can just go through the go classes annotated notes. Okay, before watching the lecture, with every lecture we provide annotated notes. So what you do before watching the lecture, you can just click on the annotated notes for that lecture, and you can go through the annotated notes. Okay, go through every slide. Now if you are thinking that okay this I know, this I know, this I know, then you can just keep going. Okay, slide by slide, slide by slide, you just keep going. And if you think that okay this slide or this point or this concept I don't know, okay, I don't understand, okay, this is something new, okay, this might be something new that I did not study or that I did not understand, okay, something, then only for that part, only for that topic you can watch the lecture. Sometimes what will happen that you are going through the annotated notes of a lecture, and maybe in the entire annotated notes you will be thinking that okay I know everything. Okay, in this lecture whatever has been taught, that is already written in the annotated notes. So in the annotated notes I am comfortable with every point, every question, every concept, everything. Okay, then for that annotated notes, basically that lecture you don't have to watch. Then again you go to the next lecture's annotated notes. Okay, so like this you can save time. There will be some lectures that you won't have to watch because you are saying that some subjects you have already completed previously. So this is a suggestion for those students who are thinking that okay I have completed this subject previously, so do I have to watch all the lecture again? So this is the suggestion for those students that from the go through the annotated notes. Okay, from the lecture 1 onwards, from the beginning onwards, you go through the annotated notes and only watch those lectures, only watch those topics which you do not understand or which you did not study previously or which is something new. Okay, so this way you can save time and also you can make sure that you do not miss anything. I hope this suggestion is clear to everyone. Okay,
Or else
I
you
hope.
can make use of the compact courses also. I think they
Yes,
are
yes,
available
Umesh.
for 2 to 3 subjects.
Yes, Umesh. So you can make use of compact course also if the subject, for a subject, if you think that okay this subject I have already studied okay previously in the previous semester or from some other resources, then that subject, for that subject, if there is a compact course, then you can just go through the compact course. Okay, so I hope that you can save time and you can make sure that you do not miss anything. So for that, these are the two ways. One is annotated notes method I told you, and another is compact course. Okay, I hope your doubt is clear, Bhavya, and I hope that with this many other students doubts might also got might also have got cleared. Okay, so next, Umesh, next is
Yes,
the doubt of Kavya, Jammu Kavya. So yes, you can reply to this doubt.
while I'm solving, I couldn't find out. See, there are if you're while solving PYQs, if you're solving 80% of PYQs, then you're on the safe side. Don't think that I should solve all 100% PYQs. No, no, there are some PYQs where some of the concepts are very depth. So if you are solving, if 80 questions or 80% of the questions are being solved, then you're on the safe side. Rest of the 20%, you make a log of them, and so the clear those concepts. Sometimes there will be some other concepts which we don't know, so that you please do that. And regarding to test series, please don't get demotivated because of low marks in test series. It will always happen, especially if you solve the go classes test series. That's common thing. But with time you'll get used to that, and you'll become strong and confident. There's no problem. But give you more time for identifying the concepts where you are weak. If you are not getting the question or answer, if you are not able to solve the question, identify where you are not able to solve the question. Like if you are if you are solving a question, if you are weak at that concept, please go to the concept and make it strong. Or else if you don't know the concept entirely, you please go refer to the video solution of the PYQ, and then learn that concept. Or else if you are making any other silly mistake, then of course it can be solved easily. I think main problems comes in two cases. That is, one thing is if you're new to that concept, then please solve that, learn that concept. Even in lectures, 100% of the concepts are not covered actually. Some concepts are in some concepts we can learn from the questions. So in that way we can cover all PYQs. And the other thing is, if you are it's like you should go through the PYQ, and then you identify yourself that like this pattern is being followed here, and I should do that. I should do the same thing from the from next time. So this is the thing.
So here just
Yeah.
one line I also want to add here to the doubt of Jammu Kavya. So Kavya is asking that when I'm solving PYQ or test series problem, then I could not find the approach, but when I see the solution, then I get to know. So it makes me feel bad or demotivated. What should I do? So Kavya, one suggestion in addition to uh, what Umesh has said. Just one suggestion that please take the test series, weekly quizzes, full length mock test, all India mock test. Please take all these tests and quizzes for improvement. Okay, please don't
Yes.
judge yourself, improve yourself, but don't judge yourself. Basically, don't get demotivated because of some wrong questions, because of some low marks. Okay, don't do that. Take them for improvement. Okay, these are for your improvement. Basically, if there is a wrong question, then as Umesh has said, that you find out why that wrong question. Okay, why you did it wrong. Okay, was it silly mistake, was it conceptual mistake, did you not study that concept at all, or did you study the concept but you did not understand the concept. Okay, basically you just think about it, that why this question went wrong. Okay, then if then what you do, then you revise that concept, that topic you revise, and then you again solve this question, or you see the solution. Okay, the video solution or the text solution, you see that. Okay, and then you will realize, okay, yes, I understood something new from this wrong question. My understanding has improved little bit. Okay, and let me tell you, this little bit improvement, this is what makes a student topper. Okay, so please understand that your mindset is everything. Most of the toppers, they are topper because of their mindset. Okay, so as Umesh is telling you the same thing, that just don't get demotivated by low marks. Okay, because that is not the purpose of test series or mock test or weekly quizzes. Okay, you can see the mindset will make you, I can say, half the topper. The mindset will do half the job. Okay, so just take every opportunity you take as opportunity to improvement. Okay, whether it is wrong question, right question, anything, just take it as an opportunity to improve. Okay, so that you can get a top rank in the gate exam. The purpose is not to get a top rank in the go class test series. The purpose is to get top rank in the actual gate exam. Okay, so everything should be an opportunity for improvement. That's it. This is what I'm saying till the gate exam. Okay, before the gate exam, everything should be an opportunity for improvement.
Or
Yes,
else
Umesh,
please
you are
don't do
some,
this
you,
mistake
yes,
again.
yes.
Like after seeing all those marks, please don't leave that taking tests. Okay, tests are meant for like making your concept strong. Okay, please don't leave test series by seeing those marks. They'll come, of course you should look at those, and you should again, they seem to like they should be a motivation to clear your concept, but not demotivation. Okay, and please, after seeing your marks, please don't give up tests. Okay, you should give your test. The even those are the tests that will make you strong in concepts. Okay, please don't leave that. Like many people leave test series, sir. Like after seeing all those low marks, they leave test series. Please don't do
Yes,
that mistake.
that's what I'm saying, that mindset will do
Yeah,
half the job. Okay, so, and the beauty of mindset is that you can change it. Okay, it's not like that you are born with it. Okay, it's something that you can change it within few hours, within few days. You just modify your, you just, like, in your mind you just change it, that okay, from now onwards my focus will be only on improvement. Everything, low marks, high marks, wrong question, right question, everything will be an opportunity for improvement. Okay, this little bit improvement, remember, with every wrong question, this little bit improvement, this is not visible. Okay, but let me tell you, you are going to become a topper. You are on the way to become a topper. So please don't worry. Okay, just focus on improvement and learning and improvement continuously, this thing every day. Okay.
Yes, one more thing. Why, if you are making more mistakes in test series, please do maintain a mistake log and revise them like more frequently. Please note down all the questions. If they're not all the questions, all the concepts that you're making mistake repeatedly in the mistake log. And if you find that this question is very important, and yes, this is the question that I can that we can expect in an exam, please do maintain a log of that too, and please revise them in weekly twice or thrice, so that they'll never go out of your mind. Mistake log is very important. That will save you from making mistakes again. Please maintain your mistake log. Yes sir.
So the next doubt is by Renu. She's
Yes
asking
sir.
that what are the resources have you followed for
after
subject-wise test and test series? Yes, Umesh, you were
after my
saying
third
something.
year attempt, I have followed after my third year attempt, I have followed only one resource, that is goclasses. All of the YT video, I have covered all of their YT videos. And yes, of course I'm their course enrolled student too. I use it to, whenever I feel that I use it to cover this subject, this concept again, I use it to download their annotated notes, and then I use it to cover their concept. What only resource you should follow is go classes, because in many other institutes there may be some other concepts too, but go classes is not like that. If I think if you are in this meeting, you are a complete course enrolled student only. Please go follow go classes only. And for regarding test series, yes, go classes test series is, I only gave in 2026, I followed only go classes test series, only go classes test series. But I gave all the tests in their test series. So there's nothing like that. So if we are, I think there will be no that not that much time to left. So you buy only one test series and make use of them. Go classes test series is enough. Yes sir.
So the next doubt is by Kona Tanmay. So how do we maintain the notes? Is in the brief or detailed or simple or short, or is it up to me about the preparation of notes? Basically, notes making, related to notes making.
Yes sir. Yes sir. See, in short notes you should write only, suppose if there is a question in TOC, like consider a question like, if they consider a question like, how many states are required in a DFA, minimal DFA, where kth symbol from end is B, in a sigma of A comma B. You should only write 2 power k, because you please make your short notes like in this way. All those concepts should be in your long notes. Please don't make your short notes also that long that you can't even cover again. So make it short and precise. Only important points, like gunshot points, if you can see, like if there are like I can take another question like two. Suppose if starting symbol from for a DFA, number of states in DFA where starting symbol is A, then obviously it is of, like you can directly remember them. So all these kind of points you should write in your short notes, so that it, we can quickly able to recall all the concepts. Again, if you write all these, like all the derivations and all in your short notes, then it will be very long. Please don't do that mistake. Again, it will be like your long notes only, and you should complete, you will waste your time.
So, Umesh, did you write your own notes for all the subjects? Did you write your own notes, or did you rely on the annotated notes or the toppers handwritten notes that we provide, or did you write your own notes for all the subjects?
So I would not. I would say like, sir, I've maintained for selective subjects like TOC, where, like we should maintain notes for TOC, because all those points we should be able to recall fastly. So I have maintained notes for TOC, and the other one is computer networks. I have maintained subjects for only selective subjects only, not for all subjects.
Okay, and for the
Where
remaining subjects,
I
what? Yes, yes, you continue.
I have made notes for selective subjects only, where recalling is more like in subject like TOC, digital logic, you should be able to recall fast so that it will save a lot of your time. So for those kind of subjects, I have made my short notes. For CN also, I have made short notes because I love CN too. That's why I'll make it precise. So I thought of making sub first like that too.
Okay, and for the remaining subject, the subjects for which you did not write your own notes, what were you doing for those subjects?
Sir, I used to follow annotated notes. I used to write. I am like if you are preparing for GATE, we'll learn concepts, right? So if I am lacking somewhere, I used to know only note that concepts where I am lacking. That's it.
Okay,
I used to follow main notes if I didn't get any concept, or annotated notes from your slides.
okay, Umesh. So the next doubt is by Pratisa Macha. So let me read this because it seems like a long doubt, long paragraph. Let me quickly read this. You can also read. Let me read it. That, sir, this year I have just qualified with borderline marks. I am scared about whether I will be able to improve this time or not. I want to achieve a good rank. I have I have not even completed my syllabus fully and I am feeling anxious about it. I don't understand how ended up with such a low score in GATE 2026 even even though I prepared well. I expected at least a good rank below 2000 but I did not get it. I am really worried about GATE 2027. I have completed only some subjects like compiler design, digital logic, engineering mathematics, C, algorithm, DBMS only. Remaining subject I am studying now. This is my final year. Okay.
See, there's nothing like there are many cases this year where people from 13,000 rank. I think Guru Prasad is also an example. No, not Guru Prasad. I have seen some other students where they have secured under 100 rank from 13,000 rank. There's nothing like that. Please complete your syllabus on time. Please make sure you revise you complete your subjects along with revision. So that you don't need to rewatch the lectures. Please make sure you complete your subjects with revision. Again, I'm saying, please make sure you complete your subjects along with revision. If you are going through subjects, you come in Saturday or Sunday, you please revise all those subjects till covered as of now, so that it will be easy for you. Again, if you complete your subject and keep it aside, after opening for revision, you will feel like you'll not able to recall all the concepts. So one thing is complete your subject, but you should, since you're in a final year, I would suggest you to complete your syllabus by early October or by the end of the October, so that you can give your time to for more practice and tests. And that too, you have completed some subjects like CD, compiler design, digital logic. So uh, uh, in a day, divide your time, you complete, and one slot for the subjects that complete and that decision. In this way, you complete your subjects. I think there are only 5 to 6 subjects left as of now for you. Even for you have a lot of plenty of time till November. I think there is 6 months left. You can easily complete your syllabus, but focus more on revision, I would say, and more revision on. Sorry, you focus more time on revision and practice. That's it.
See, I also want to add something here, Pratisa. So let me tell you that the time that is there, okay, from now onwards, from today onwards till the GATE exam, the time is enough. You can get a top rank. And let me tell you, by starting from scratch, by starting from zero also, the time is enough to get a top rank in the GATE 2027 if someone starts today. You've already completed some subjects. So the first thing that you should do is complete the remaining subjects. Okay. Remember, many students I have seen what they do, they they find their comfortable subject and they just want to study that. Okay. They just want to keep studying that. Okay. So what you do something that is more challenging. Okay. First you complete the remaining subjects, and remember one thing, that time is enough. Okay, if you are thinking that time is less, okay, then remember, even after 2 months, 1 month also, even after 3 months also, some students will start their preparation from zero, from scratch, and they will also, some of them will also get top rank in the gate 2027. Why? What is the reason? Because they are not stuck in the past. Okay, see, you are thinking about the past, what happened, you are thinking about that, that is making you scared. Okay, you are thinking about your previous attempt, so you are stuck, your one leg is in the past. Okay, you are stuck in the past, your thoughts are stuck in the past. That past is giving you anxiety, that is making you scared. But remember,
Yes.
after 1 month, after 2 months also, some students will start their preparation from zero, and they will get a top rank because they are not stuck, they are not stuck in the past. They are only thinking that, okay, I have 6 months, 7 months, okay, let me put my best efforts, let me get a top rank. Their complete focus is in the study. Okay, they are completely focusing
Improving
on
part
the
as well.
preparation, on the study. But your
Yes.
half focus is on the past and half focus on the future. So I'm just telling you that mindset is everything. Mindset will do half the things. You can do wonders. You can get a top 50 rank next year. Okay, and next year you can join as a mentor. Let me tell you, Pratisa. So don't worry, these are normal feelings. Okay, I let me give you one example of Alpan Chatterjee. Okay, so he got all India rank 120 in GATES CS 2023, and I clearly remember that he called me on the call. He called me, I think, in the August or September, and he talked with me for almost 1 hour, and he was so tensed, so anxious, and basically he was scared. And for more than 1 hour he had conversation with me, and in the whole conversation I was just telling him these things, that you can still make it, you just utilize the remaining months, because it was August or September. So I told him that you utilize the remaining months. Okay, you do your best, you make every day count. Okay, just do your best every day. So these type of normal things. Okay, normal normal advice I gave to him. But the point is, after that 1 hour, he just changed his mindset. Okay, he just thought, whatever will be the result, okay, let me not worry about it. Let me make use of all the remaining days. Okay, and let me tell you, after just 4 or 5 months after that conversation, he got all India rank 120. He joined IIT Kharagpur. Then he also joined PSU. Okay, you can search on the LinkedIn, you can search Alpan Chatterjee. Okay, if anyone want to contact with him, and you can discuss with him this conversation. I had this conversation with him. The same doubt that Pratisha is asking, that same type of messages, that same type of doubt he was asking me in August or September. Okay, so Alpan Chatterjee, eventually, after that conversation, after 4 months, he got all India rank 120. Okay, so please understand that these are normal feelings. Feeling scared, feeling anxious about the result, whether I will be able to make it or not, whether I will get a top rank or not. These are normal feelings. Okay, I am not saying that there is something wrong here, nothing wrong. But you have to push yourself, you have to switch your mindset towards the studying, okay, towards the preparation. So please don't get stuck in the past. Whatever happened, happened. You
It is
have enough
all
time.
about mindset. That's it.
Yes.
It is all
Yes.
about your
Yes.
mindset. See, you have a lot of time from now. It is May, and we will have our exam on February first week. So by early October, even if you are able to, if you are not able to complete by October, you please extend your time. By early November, you please complete all your subjects, because half of your subjects are already done actually. So by you for completing remaining subjects, you please go with your you complete your subject along with the revision of previous subject, so that it will not be a burden to you. And by the time you start your test series and revision again, it will be you can go through them easily. Else again you will feel like you will feel like you lost all your concepts. So please better don't do that. With uh, subjects that you have completed, spend your time for that subjects too. And you are about the for the subjects that you are about to complete, spend more time for them rather than compared to revision subjects. And please make sure that you practice all the PYQs, and you focus your time on, you give your time for revision of PYQs and practice also, so that it will be easier for you. And
So,
one more thing,
yes, yes,
please
yes,
start
Umesh.
your test, attempting tests also by, like, not now. If you are comfortable now, you can start now itself. If you are not comfortable, please take your time. You please gain that confidence by revising thoroughly two to three times of the completed subjects, and start giving tests for the that subjects. It will be very helpful for you.
So, Pratisha,
Not
take it as
only
a challenge.
that,
Yes,
no,
yes, Umesh.
yes, yes.
Yes, Umesh.
Not only for her, to all the people out there in the session, please make sure you revise your subjects very well, because if you complete your syllabus before the gate exam, there will be no one to ask when did you complete your syllabus. So please make sure you revise your subjects and then you complete, so it will be easier. And, like, it will be very helpful. Again, if you leave your revision and tests, or practice, what you feel is, after completion, when you start your revision after, in early November or December, then what you feel is like, I lost the concepts. I should rewatch all the lectures and all. So even I faced it during my third year attempt, this the same problem. So I'm saying this to you people.
So, Pratisha, take it as a challenge. In the remaining months, you just make every day count. Utilize all the days, all the months that are remaining, and next year top the gate exam and join us as a mentor. Okay, so take it as a challenge. You can do it. It's possible. If you want to know whether it is possible or not, yes, it is possible. You are in a very good position. You have completed some subjects are remaining. So just complete those remaining subjects, and very important that you keep doing your revision. That is really very important, because without revision,
Yes, sir.
why are we covering the subjects? Okay, if we can't recall the concepts of the previous subjects, then what is the point of covering the subjects? Okay, so remember, revision plus the syllabus completion, both of these things, they go simultaneously. Okay, and just take it as a challenge and just do your best. Okay.
Please don't think about past, what has happened. Focus on your future and concentrate on how to how to improve day by day. That's it. That's the only thing that separates you from a lot of all people. So please do that.
So Umesh, yes, please take the next doubt.
How, sir? Our videos are so lengthy that can we complete all subjects before February? See, if you are a third year student, I would say please go for all those videos, because they'll cover a lot of concepts actually. If you are in your final year, please go with compact courses. There are courses are designed, in fact, we can say a full course only, but explanation is only up to the point. So in SAR has taken 2 to 3 examples of every point, but in compact courses it is not like that. SAR has taken only up to the point. So to make it precise, if you are a third year student, please go for all long videos, no problem. But you should, like in subjects like discrete math, please go for compact courses entirely, because discrete math is such a long that it will take a lot of time. If you are a final year student, it is better for you to go for compact courses actually. I think there are many people where they have, in your seniors actually, in third, they are in fourth year right now. They have completed all discrete maths videos, sir. They have completed all the full length course itself. uh, so there's no problem, you can complete your syllabus. How did you revise all subjects multiple times, and when did you take tests? I have revised my subjects parallelly, like, from after giving my gate, I have filled my gaps actually, like where I'm lacking, where did I lose all my marks, and from then I started entirely on revision. I think giving gate in third year has helped me a lot by I have covered all my concepts there. So in fourth year I have covered my gaps, and then I have focused entirely on revision. So multiple revision, it means, like, it is all about planning only. You start, plan your day, like, uh, for this month I should complete this subject. Like if you take COAs, like I used to take once two short subjects and one long subject at a time. I used to complete them in a month. So in that way, you can plan your revision. If you still face any difficulty in planning, or if you are still unable to revise, you please do, like there is a group, right? You can, I think, sir, it is open to all to message.
Which group? The WhatsApp group for the RGUKT students?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yes, yes, that is open for
You,
all the students to message and ask their doubts.
yes, you all the people, please, if you have any doubts, or you can please put your doubts there, I'll reply them personally, and or if you can message me individually also, I can reply them. Okay.
Thank you, Umesh. So in the RGUKT Gate 2027 group, WhatsApp group, please feel free to ask your doubts. Okay, now you are asking the doubts. I can see back to back students are asking their doubts.
I
Remember that feel free to ask your doubts in the group, and you can tag Umesh, you can tag me, you can tag Sachin sir. Okay, and basically you can discuss your doubts. Okay, don't keep your doubts for too long. Okay, just immediately ask your doubts. And one more
you,
thing, that for technical doubts, if you are having any technical doubt, any conceptual doubt, then we have already added all of you in the Go Classes private Telegram group for doubt discussion. There you can discuss. There we have all the Go Classes complete course enrolled students are there. Okay, so they are following the Go Classes complete course, so you can just ask your doubts, your technical doubts you can discuss in that Go Classes private Telegram group. Okay, and any non-technical doubt that you want to discuss with Umesh or me or Sachin sir, you can ask in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes,
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 Umesh.
sir. Yes. So plan your, you have a plenty of time from now. Plan your revision for 2 to 3 months. Sorry, for every month you should start revisiting the concepts again. Plan plan in such a way that you revisit for every 1 month. Or if you are going at the by if you are going to the end, like if you are going to December or January, you please make sure that you are revisiting every concept for every week, or for every 10 days. So you please plan in such a way. It will be like you can do what you can complete this.
So next doubt is from Bindu. Sir, I am currently in my final year. Can you please help me to figure out whether to focus completely on gate preparation or do coding in parallel? So what is your
See,
opinion, Umesh?
so Dinu, it's up to you. Like if you want to go for placements, I would say go for placements. There's no one like holding you to go prepare for gate. But if you want to complete go for higher studies, gate is the only option that will open your doors to IITs and ISC or NIT. So it's finally up to you that where you want to go. If you want to go for your future studies, then please prepare for gate. Or doing coding in parallel, I would not suggest, because if you go in two ways, it will not be that, you'll not able to concentrate on one thing at a time. So it's up to you that in which way you should go. If you want to go for higher studies, leave all those things will never matter if you get a good rank in gate. Of course, I'm saying one again, if you get good rank in gate, then they'll never matter. You will get a time to prepare, do coding and all after gate, and you'll enter IITs with good coding skills.
Here, actually, I also want to add something, that if your complete focus is on the gate preparation, but you are worried that I should also build my coding skills, I should also improve my coding skills so that it will help me in the MTech placements or in the MTech. Okay. See, if your complete focus is on the gate, but you are worried about your MTech placement, that after I get a top rank in the gate exam, still I will need to do coding. Okay. I need coding skills for MTech placement in the MTech. If that is your confusion, then let me tell you that for now you completely focus on gate only. Okay,
Only gate.
because your first step should be to get into that top college. Okay, getting into that top college should be, like I can say, should be a full time preparation. Okay, should be a full time focus. And then let me tell you, after the gate exam in the February, in the first or second week, the gate exam will be over. Then you can see mid almost half of February will be there, then March, April,
Then
May,
May,
June,
June,
July. So how
July.
many months? Total 5 months and half of February. Total 5 point, almost 5.5 point, I can say, 5.5 month I can say. Okay, so almost 6 months, let's take it. Okay, so you have total 6 months before your MTech starts. after the gate exam is over, before the MTech starts, you have 6 months. 6 months is enough to build your skills in the coding. Okay, you can do a lot of coding. You can do Python, you can do C++, C. Okay, you can do a lot of coding in those 6 months. So please understand that your first step should be to secure that top college seat. Okay, so fully focus on the gate preparation. This knowledge will help you a lot. Okay, and once you secure your top college, for example, here Umesh has got all India rank 77. Now he will be joining either IIT Madras or IIT Bombay or ISC Bangalore. These top three colleges, one of them he is going to join definitely. Okay, so you can see, first you secure that, and then in the 6 months before your MTech starts, you can do anything you want. You can do machine learning, you can do coding. Okay, you can study linear algebra in depth. Okay, you can even prepare for 6 months is enough to prepare for gate D and get a top rank in the gate D itself. Okay, so 6 months is enough time. And also in the MTech also, you can continue what you do in these 6 months, you can continue in your MTech also in the first semester, second semester. So please understand that right now, don't worry about the future. Right now, please make sure that you prepare for the gate exam very well and you secure your seat in the top college.
Yes, if you are preparing for gate and worried about coding, don't do coding. Leave that and focus entirely on gate. If you are going for higher studies, I would say that.
So next doubt is from Bhavya. So let me read it. It's a long paragraph. So let me read it, and you can also read, Umesh.
Yes,
So
sir.
Bhavya is saying, "Sir, I have written GATE 2026 and got all India rank 1308. Okay, 11308. That's very good in the third year. So Bhavya, congratulations. In third year, you secured 1308. 1300 rank you secured in GATE CS 2026 out of 2 lakh 10,000 students, and that too in third year. This is really incredible. Kudos to you. Okay, I want
If you
to
go with the
improve.
same momentum, then you can easily secure under 50 rank or under under 20 rank easily. I
Yes,
think most of your
definitely.
subjects are covered and all your concepts are clear. Then only you can secure all India rank 1308. Even 1308 is a good rank actually with third year. If you
Yes,
want to, I'm interested in joining PSUs.
with college
Can
with
you
third
tell
year,
me?
this is the top rank. So this student is asking that I want to improve my rank next year and I am interested in joining PSUs. Can you tell me, should we need extra skills rather than the gate knowledge for PSU? Also, what are the top most paying PSUs for the gate exam, and how much rank we must get into these PSUs? Okay. So actually, let me answer it, Umesh. The
Okay.
information related to PSU, let me answer it. See,
Okay.
there are many high-paying PSUs. Okay, there are some PSUs which are paying so much that some students they join IIT Bombay, ISC Bangalore, and then they leave their MTech to join PSU. Okay, for example, let me tell you, like, see, you already know some government jobs, for example, ISRO, BARC, okay, and NIC. Okay, ISRO, BARC, NIC. These are government jobs, but they are, I can say, they pay, but 60,000, 70,000 per month. Okay, so but let me tell you some high paying PSUs: ONGC, IOCL, Power Grid. So, and there are many more. Okay, so let me tell you, these are paying more than 20 lakhs per annum. Okay, more than 20 lakhs they are paying. IOCL, ONGC, Power Grid, and there are many more. Okay, so that is one thing. Another thing that you want to know, what should be your gate rank. So let me tell you, whatever PSU you target, or MTech, or IIT, ISC, if you are targeting, your target should be to get a top 100 rank only. Okay, that should be your target. Remember, when we aim for the moon, then in the worst case we will reach the stars. Okay, this is a quote, right? So this I am telling to the Bhavya. Remember, you got with third year you got 1300 rank. This is incredible performance. Now just continue this flow. Umesh has mentioned that you are in that flow. Just don't break it. Okay, continue this flow, and you definitely have the potential to get a top 50 rank next year. Okay, so your seniors have done it from
Actually, I'm the
RGUKT.
example. I
Yes,
got
huh?
all India rank. Actually, I'm the example, sir. I have got all India rank of 2,800 with my third year, and this time I have secured all India rank of 77. So
Yes.
if you're, I think most of your subjects are done. I think so. Please focus more on revision and identify where you're lacking, and fill all those gaps on and then start giving marks. It's over for you then.
Bhavya,
But
the important thing is that you don't focus on after the gate result these things. Basically, the doubt that you are asking related to PSU, that is something that you have to worry after the gate result. Okay, but before that, you fully focus on the gate preparation. You are in the flow, okay, and you just continue that flow. You get a top rank. Then most of your doubts will be gone. You won't even have to think about them. You will be eligible for all the PSUs, for all the government jobs. You will be getting many offers. You will be rejecting many offers, and you will be selecting the best one. Okay, so these all these things will automatically happen. For now, don't worry about it. After the gate result, or I can say after the gate 2027 exam, you can message me in the group or in the individually. You can message me and you can ask me, sir, what are the PSUs, what are the opportunities, this is my rank. Okay, so these are the things that we will discuss after the gate exam. Okay, for now you just fully focus on getting a top 50, top 100 rank in the gate 2027. Okay, yes, yes, Umesh.
like sir, actually she has done a great job in third year itself. Focus more on those concepts where you're lacking. And one thing, I think if you're in your if you have given gate in your third year, you will be in final year now. You please maintain that consistency daily, and start giving tests as early as possible, so that you'll find all your mistakes, and again you please revisit them as many times as it's possible for you. That's it. Next out is from Archana, sir.
Yes,
Only
next
eight
doubt is
months.
from Archana. Yes.
8 months is there for gate exam. How to set monthly goals for preparing? How many months prior of exam should I complete all my preparation so that I can revise all subjects again? Please give detailed timetable. See, if you complete your syllabus before 1 day before gate exam, also there's no problem. There is no one to question you that when did you complete, or there will be no marks for that. What I would suggest to you people is, you complete your syllabus but with proper revision, so that you don't get again. I think you'll know, no, sorry, you will not revisit all those concepts again. Okay, so the actually ideal time will be around October or November. If you can complete your syllabus by mid of Jan also, there's no problem. But for those subjects you're completing, please try to revise them. Start giving tests as soon as possible. Start practicing them. Solve PYQs with detailed explanation. Try to huh, try to find like other variations also. Like, so do it in this way. There's no one like, when did you complete your syllabus? You'll not find that is not the correct way actually to prepare for gate. You complete your syllabus along with proper revision and test series and practice. That's the only thing that will get you good rank, not completing your syllabus. I would say ideal time for completion will be around October. If you are okay, please extend it by one more month by November, or November by the end of the November, and then. But you please make sure that for those subjects you have completed, you daily do revision of those subjects also. That's the only thing that if you do this, you will get already you're in, like you're in a good you are already ahead of many people actually. So do that, and start giving tests of the completed subjects as soon as possible. That's it, sir. That's it. Timetable, there's nothing timetable like that. I used to follow, as I said earlier, I used to follow 3 slots thing. One for subjects that where I need to focus more, and the other slot I used to so I used to practice revise that subject that needs like I used to schedule a day, and I used to complete that subject. And in the third slot I used to give tests or practice PYQs, or like I used to practice in the third slot. So in this way, plan your schedule. Like, this is my schedule I used to follow. This is, you can follow your own schedule. There's no compulsion that you should do only this. I think Archana, I think I have cleared your doubt. If there's any, please type in chat box. I'll respond to you.
So next doubt is from Bhumi.
Is it
Is it
possible to
possible to
give
give,
both?
yes, both
Is
gate
it
and placements?
see if you are completed your first year and you're in second year now? I think in our college, sir, in our college in the 1 semester we have all our subjects like DBMS, DLD, TOC, probability and stats, and digital logic design. All these five subjects are in gate also. So one thing I would say is you please follow these concepts of you please cover all these subjects in gate point of view. If you cover all these in gate point of view, you'll score good in semesters. That's not a big deal. So what I would suggest is complete in the point of a point in the sorry for you please complete them in gate point of view, so that it will be helpful for gate also, and you of course you can easily secure good marks. And one more thing I would say is if you can complete the DSA in code, in lead code or any other platform you want, you please do that also, so that it will be a bit helpful for you in gate also. But it is not mandatory. If you can solve questions in lead code or any other platform, you can solve. But I think in 2-1 only we have 5 subjects of gate. You better you I think you, to save your time, you please follow these gate lectures and videos. Of course you will get good marks in semester. That's it. And
So here one student, let me just take this doubt. So Deepika Madhuri is asking that is there any resource to solve all the gate PYQ? So I have shared, okay, in the chat I have shared. This is called Gate Overflow PDF. In short, it is called Go PDF. Okay, Go PDF is free. It is the best resource for the gate PYQs for the last more than 10 years. Okay, and it is free. What you do, this link I have shared with you, you click on this link. In this link you will find many PDFs. Actually, you will find gate PYQs PDFs. Okay, there are two PDF which contain all the gate computer science PYQs, all of them. Each and every gate PYQ, gate CS PYQ is present in these two PDFs. Okay, so you can see there are TIFR PYQs PDF, there are UGC NET PYQ PDF, ISRO PYQ PDF, NEELIT PYQ PDF, and Aptitude PYQ PDF. Okay, so I'm telling you that this link I have shared with you, these all these PDFs, these are free for everyone. You can download them, and you will get each and every PYQ in these PDFs. Okay, you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to purchase anything, these are free. Okay, just download these PDFs and make use of them for all the gate PYQs. Okay, you can't even find any more gate PYQ because these PDFs, they contain everything. All the gate PYQs are covered. Okay, so this is
even
for
that
everyone.
the links
Yes.
for solutions are also there. If you click on the question itself, you directly will go to the gate overflow website. You can check their solution also. It will be like all in one package.
So Umesh, did you make use of Go PDFs?
Yes, sir. Even I followed only those two PDFs. I solved them like 4 to 5 times of all, especially subjects like COA. I solved them 4 to 5 times.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, so let's take the next doubt. Bhumi doubt you have covered, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've covered her now.
Okay. So the next doubt is by Lakshmi, and I think it's a long doubt, but can you take one by one? There are some doubts in the points, like point by point. Okay, so
Yes,
you can take
yes,
them.
sir. I'll
Let
take on that.
you can read them. Yes.
If you gave gate and you got 9602, you got confidence. I'll definitely confuse between placements and gate exam. See, placements and gate exam, it's all up to you, like where you want to go. There's no one like uh, there's no one to say that go for gate. There's no one to say like go for placements. It is the only decision that you should take on yourself. Because if you go for if I say go for gate, and if you're interested in placements, and if you eventually didn't succeed in gate exam, you'll point out that blame to me. and how can I accept that though? So it's not that thing. Eventually it's your career and it's your life. Like where you want to go, it all depends on you actually. So take your time and decide where you want to go. And coming to the PSUs, see, there are a lot of PSUs recently where computer science people have also opportunities, especially Bark and even IOCL and Coal India, and there are other PSUs also. Recently, they have started a recruitment. Coming to the you have mentioned that you came to know that if you want to enter into PSUs through gate, there should be interview and etc. Yes, there will be an interview, and they'll focus more on core subjects like COA, OIS, DBMS, and CN. Like whatever the subjects you are interested in, they'll focus more on that. And yes, they'll ask for project also. But you'll after giving gate and to it till your interview, you will have a lot of time that you'll have nearly around 3 to 4 months. See, I have given gate exam in June 9th. So I have eventually a lot of time. If you want to go for PSUs, there will be a lot of time to prepare for interviews and to complete all those projects and all. So there's nothing like that. You can happily prepare for gate. Strong resume. No, like they'll only focus on core subjects and the final year project, and they will not even focus on technical skills or anything. But one thing, yes, you need to have is communication or soft skills, that you should be able to communicate in good manner. That's the only main thing. And core subjects and final year project, you can say that how can, if I prepare for gate, I can't give time to final year project. After giving gate to the till your interview date, you will have a plenty of time, so that you can manage that final year project too. You can manage your final year project. And if you join IIT after getting good rank, hmm, see, there are many people where they have given gate in the last 2 to 3 months. So they have prepared for gate in the last 2 to 3 months and secured good rank. And even with zero technical skills, they have entered into IITs and they have covered everything out there, and they are in good companies right now. There are many examples like that. So there will be lot of time after. So but one thing is, you should be pre-planned, like if you are after giving it, those 6 to 7 months of time is very crucial. If you want to go for PSUs, then start preparing for interview from the very next day itself. And if you want to go for IITs, and so in that meantime, you please cover your code sorry improve your coding skills and communication skills. That's you will have time. But in the question where gate and placement question, it's up to you where you want to see yourself. If you want to like, I would suggest ki, if your family is well financially able to support you, then MTech is the best option for students like us who are studying in some tier 3 colleges. So yeah, it will give us a lot of opportunities, and it will also give us some brand value. So if you are financially able, and if you are able to manage your like for the next 2 years after BTech, for the next 2 years, if you can manage your all things, then MTech is a very good option. And eventually you'll land in good companies and good packages where people even struggle after 2 to 3 years in industry. So there's nothing like that. It will be very if the path to companies after the path to companies after joining IIT is like, it is something which people can't get even after 2 years of experience after BTech. So I would suggest ki, if you are able, please go to MTech. Or if you have financial struggle, of course it's up to you. Then what you want to do. Yes, sir. And coming to the PSUs, even I have discussed that you will have a plenty of time to cover your interview concepts and all. There's no doubt that there's no doubt in that. You can happily prepare for gate if you are many miss PSUs and all those skills.
So one more thing, actually, I think there is some misconception related to PSU interviews. So Lakshmi is saying that I came to know that if I want to enter into PSU through GATE exam, then there will be interview. Yes, there will be interview. I also came to know that they want a strong resume and a strong college project. If I invest all my time in preparation of the GATE exam, then how I will build a strong project and how I will build a strong resume. There is a misconception here that for the PSU for the PSU interview you need a strong project. Let me tell you, I myself, when I got all India rank 67 in GATE 2018, okay, I appeared for many PSU interviews. Also in 2020, in GATE 2020, I got 53 rank, and then I appeared for many PSU interviews. I appeared for ONGC interview. I appeared for NILIT NIC interview, okay, BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard, BIS interview. So okay, there are, I think there were some more also. The point is, in none of my interview they were asking me about my MTech project or my BTech project. Okay, the questions were from the GATE knowledge. Most of the questions, majority of the questions were from the GATE syllabus, from the GATE knowledge. Okay, and I cleared all of these interviews. I had job offer from all these PSUs and government jobs. Okay, of course I did not choose them, but I'm just telling you that I think there is a misconception here. Once you get a top rank in the GATE exam and you go for any PSU or government job through the GATE exam, then let me tell you, 85% weightage will be of the GATE score. Only 15% weightage will be of the interview. In the interview, even if you just cross the minimum criteria, it's like, just if you cross the average, then also with your GATE score that has 85% weightage, you can get selected for the job, for the PSU, for the government job. Okay, so please understand that your GATE knowledge, if you are if you are studying for the GATE exam and you are understanding the concepts, that will help you in cracking the top rank in the GATE exam also. That will help you in cracking the interviews also. Okay, in the PSU, in the IITs, in the ISC Bangalore, in the government jobs, any interview, any written exam also you can crack with the GATE knowledge. GATE exam is like a perfect syllabus, perfect exam for many opportunities. Okay, so I hope this is clear, Lakshmi. I myself have, sat in the interviews of many PSUs, and also in the last 8 years I have seen many students. I have seen the interview experiences of many students. Okay, and I'm telling you from my experience that you don't need a, like, something, a solid project. Most of the tier 2, tier 3 college students, they don't have solid project. Okay, most of them they just do, just to pass the BTech, just to pass the syllabus, just to pass the semester, just to pass the college. They do. Okay, they don't have solid MTech project, sorry, solid BTech project, they don't have. Okay, so don't worry. Your GATE knowledge is your project. Your GATE knowledge is your solid resume. Your GATE rank is your solid resume. Your GATE rank, for example, all India rank 77, it reflects the knowledge, the computer science knowledge, operating system question, compiler design question, theory of computation question, engineering mathematics, linear algebra, whatever question I throw at Umesh, he will be able to answer. Okay,
The
so he
first
has
thing
shown
is
his
I'll not
potential.
fear. I'll not fear of those questions. Like what they'll ask, will I able to answer them or not? At least I'll try to answer them with the concepts that I have learned as of now. So even if you feel that like I'll forget all my concepts, and again you'll have a plenty of time to revise all your concepts between your interview and the GATE exam, and you have a lot of time to even brush up your projects also. So there's nothing like that, but they'll focus more on core concepts and on project also. But we should be able to even give minimal answers. That's
So I think we have answered the all the doubts by Lakshmi. If there is any other doubt, you can please feel free to ask in the chat. Okay, also we will continue these mentorship sessions. It's not like this is like the final mentorship session and in a long time there will be no other mentorship session. We will continue taking these mentorship sessions on a very regular basis. Okay, so please do not worry. In the next session also you can discuss your doubts. Okay, so Deepika Madhuri's doubts, Deepika Madhuri doubt,
I
I
think
think we have answered. Okay,
answer.
so if there is any other doubt, you can just ask. Okay, so then Pallavi is asking, what about aptitude? So about aptitude, Umesh, what did you do?
What see app for aptitude PYQs are just enough. Coming to the gate aptitude, you'll not even needed to solve distance, all those questions. Just post PYQs. Daily solve for at least 10 to 12 questions. That's more than enough. Yeah, by the end of the exam you'll be able to do. Even for this time I didn't prepare any aptitude and for like particularly I didn't get I didn't prepare for aptitude. I've solved all PYQs just before 10 days before the exam. That's the only thing I did for aptitude, because if you see gate 2026 paper, you don't need any kind of concepts to solve aptitude questions. They are just some basic questions where 10th and 9th, 9th content some logic. So there's nothing like that. But make sure solve it. But for PYQs are the only your references. Don't think that high level aptitude will like CAT and GATE, CAT and other exams. GATE level aptitude is very low. You can directly solve questions if you have basic common sense. That's hello sir.
Yes,
Am I
yes,
audible?
Umesh.
Hello sir. Yes sir.
So, so Kona Tanmay is asking this next doubt. She is saying that I have attempted GATE DA and I got 596 rank. That's really incredible. In GATE DA, you secured 596 rank. That's really incredible. I had an idea of attempting CS also and completed two subject, but I had a confusion about strategy for maintaining two papers and what to concentrate more. Can you please give a correct path for me?
See, I would say if you are well comfortable with maths and other things, GATE DA is of course your rank shows that you are comfortable with maths and machine learning and all other concepts. If you are super comfortable, that if you are confident enough that if you can get all India rank under 100, and after that you will, if you are able to crack interviews like for GATE DA, except IIT Madras, there are no other institutes where they are directly taking interview. Admission. Institutes have interviews. So what I would suggest is if you are that confident with maths and mathematical part, with A will be, of course it will be one of the best option. Or if you feel that, or if you feel that I should go with two papers, go with two papers, but focus more on DA. So keep your secondary paper as that thing. I think
So
my voice is. Am I audible
yes,
right?
yes. Umesh, you can keep the video turn off, okay, so that your audio will be coming in a very clear way. Okay, so you
Oh,
can keep your video turn off, no problem. Okay,
yes, sir. Yes.
so basically, Tanmay, one something I also want to add. You got GATE DA All India rank 596. Okay, and you are also thinking to prepare for the GATE CS. See, one thing that see, it's possible that you can get top rank in both of them. Okay, you have already completed two subjects, that is also really incredible. So for you I will suggest that, okay, you go ahead, okay, you prepare for the gate cs also, but you make sure that because of your gate cs preparation you don't lag in the gate da preparation. Your gate da, remember, 596 rank. From this rank, if you want to get into top 50 rank or top 100 rank in the gate da, that will take incredible amount of effort. Okay, consistency, it will need consistency, it will need your best efforts. Okay, so please make sure that because of your gate cs preparation, your gate da preparation should not get hampered. Okay, every day you must find out some time for your gate da preparation, and maybe less time you can find for your gate cs preparation, because already you are very close to the top 50 rank in the gate da. Okay, you have already completed, I think, most of the syllabus of gate da. That is the reason you got 596 rank. Okay, you are already, I know you are good with mathematics. That is the reason you got 596 rank in the gate da. So I am just saying that every day you make sure that you give some time for the gate da preparation consistently. Okay, because your target should be that, okay, I want to get top 50 rank in the gate da. Yes, gate cs preparation also you can simultaneously together, you can continue this. Okay, and you can stretch it. For example, you can complete the gate cs syllabus by the month of december, no problem. Okay, what is the problem? Your main target is basically gate da. If you are getting a top 50 rank in the gate da, then you can get admission in IIT Madras, direct admission based on your gate score. Okay, if you have top 50 rank, then IIT Madras DSAI department direct admission without any written exam, without any interview. But in all other IITs, in ISC Bangalore, in all other IITs, you will need you will need either written exam or interview. Okay, through gate da. Okay, the point is, if you are getting top 50 rank in the gate da, then this gate cs syllabus you can complete by the end of November, by the end of December, no problem. Even with revision of gate cs syllabus, if you are completing it by the end of January also, then also no problem. Umesh umesh said one very interesting line, and I loved it. Okay, he said that no one will ask you when you completed your syllabus. So, with proper revision, if you are completing your syllabus by December end or in January also, then also it is good, it is worth it. The main point is that you are doing it with revision. You are not forgetting the previous subjects. Okay, so I hope you got the idea. Okay, Tanmay, so you can continue with both of them, but make sure that you don't compromise with your gate da preparation. Okay, in gate da your target should be to get a top 50 rank. You are very close to that. Okay, you consistently do it. Okay, and parallelly you can give some time for the gate cs preparation also, no problem. So I'm very sure that you can manage both of them, and I'm very sure that you can get top rank in both of them next year. After the gate result, maybe you will say that, okay sir, this top 50 rank, top 100 or top 50 rank I got in gate da, and also top 100 rank I got in gate cs. It's very much possible. Okay, so all the best for that. Okay, just put your best efforts.
But please don't compromise for cs. If you're forgetting gate da, or please don't compromise your gate da for gate cs. I would say only about that thing. Your primary focus should be on gate da, and secondary, your secondary paper should be gate cs.
Yes. So Umesh, I think there is one last doubt by Tanuja. Hello Tanuja,
Mhm.
are you here? So we have this last doubt by Tanuja. All the other doubts we have taken. So Tanuja is saying, I've started listening to classes in early
Early.
November 2025 and just completed 4 to 5 subjects and covered aptitude, but could not qualify. This scares me. This scares me because I'm in my final year, but I have this great opportunity in my hand. How do I manage covering the entire syllabus, revision, test series, and all, because there is less time? So, okay, before Umesh answers your doubt, I think I have already answered your doubt to some other student. Okay, I
Um,
mentioned, I don't remember the name, but I think it was I think Bhavya. So, okay, basically to some other student, the same doubt I have answered. Okay, the overall point is that there is enough time. Okay, I am telling you that, see, you have already completed 4 to 5 subjects. That's really incredible. Okay, even if you start from zero today, okay, from scratch, if you start your preparation, then there is enough time to get a top rank in the gates. Yes, there is enough time to complete the syllabus. There is enough time to attempt the weekly quizzes. There is enough time to do the revision. There is enough time to do there is enough time to solve the gate pyqs and also test series. Okay, there is enough time. We are in the month of May, right? Okay, so mid May. Now you can see, uh, then you have June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. Okay, there is 8 months, 8.5 months. Okay, 8.5 months is more than enough for gate cs preparation. The benefit is that you have already completed 4 5 subjects. So what you do, first you complete the remaining subjects. That is one thing. Also very important that for the previous subjects you make sure you do revision, because without revision there is no point in keep covering the syllabus. Okay, because you will be forgetting the previous subjects. Okay, so this is what you need to do. You first of all you change your mindset towards the learning. Okay, don't worry about what happened. Okay, don't worry about your gate 2026 result. Okay, don't get stuck in the past, I am telling. Okay, you just fully focus on the future. You just fully focus on the gate 2027. In your message you have written something very beautiful. You are writing that I have this great opportunity in my hand. This is what you have written, and this is true. You have opportunity in your hand. You have more than 8 months. You make use of all these months. You make use of all these remaining days. Okay, you just make every day count. You put your best efforts. Let me tell you, there are many students that who will start their preparation after 1 month, after 2 months, from scratch they will start, and some of them will get top rank in the gate exam. Why? Because they will completely focus on the study. They are not stuck in the past. They are not thinking about their gate 2026 attempt. Okay, no, their complete focus is on the preparation, on the study. So they will get a top rank. So that's what I'm saying, that you can also do it. It's very much possible. There is nothing to worry. Okay, so just complete the pending subjects. The remaining subjects you complete, and for the previous subject you do the revision. These two things will go in parallel. Okay, and once the subject is over, then you can attempt the weekly quizzes of that subject, and you can start the next subject. And with the next subject you can attempt the weekly quizzes and the topic wise test, subject wise test of the previous subject. Okay, so these things they are going in parallel. New subject and revision and test and weekly quizzes of the previous subject. Then again next subject and revision and test and weekly quizzes of the previous subject. So revision comma next subject, these two things will keep going on in parallel. Okay. Yes, Umesh, anything you want to add to the doubt of Tanuja?
Nothing more, but please try to stay consistent with your preparation, and please don't lie to yourself. Please stay like, if you're not working and if you are compromising yourself, then there is no one to save you from that. Please be consistent, and please be frank to yourself. If you are not able to complete a particular target in a day, then why? Question yourself why. If there is a exact reason, then of course if it is a valid reason, then consider that as a valid. If that reason is not that sorry that is not if that is not an exact reason, then please, you are wasting your time on some other thing. So I would suggest is, please be consistent and be frank to you. Be Don't lie to yourself. That's what I would say. And there's a lot of time. There's nothing to get feared actually. You have a plenty of time. Complete your syllabus along with revision, and of course you'll be at some good position after gate exam, in under 100 rank or under 50 rank.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
we have taken all the doubts, and we will continue these mentorship sessions. Okay, so don't worry, very regularly, on a regular basis, with our RGUKT students, with Go Classes RGUKT students, we will continue these mentorship sessions. Okay, Umesh, Umesh will be with us in the future upcoming mentorship sessions also. Okay, so feel free to join the future mentorship sessions, and you can discuss your doubts with us. Okay, in this session, I'm very proud to say that we have taken all the doubts in the chat, each and every doubt we have taken, and I want to thank Umesh for taking all the doubts and resolving, answering all the doubts in a very patient way, in a very detailed way. So thank you, Umesh, for joining us in this session as a mentor, and thank you for answering all the doubts in a very clear way, in a very patient way. Thank you.
Sir, it's my pleasure working with you, sir. There's no see. Please don't say thank you to me, because you are the one. You people are the ones who are the reason for getting me good rank in my exam. So it's my pleasure to work with you people actually.
Thank you. Thank you, Umesh. And remember, all the RGUKT students, remember that your seniors got top rank. Okay, many seniors, many students from RGUKT got top rank in GATE 2027 in all the branches. And in the computer science, there are many toppers from RGUKT in GATE 2027. So now it is your responsibility. Put your best efforts. Make use of the remaining time. Okay, make every day count. Just put your best efforts, and next year many of you will get top rank. Okay, then you will be invited as mentor. Okay, you will be in this same session as a mentor. Okay, so all these things are possible. There is enough time. The only point is, are you ready to put your best efforts consistently from today onwards, without any overthinking, without any tension, without any anxiety, without any thinking of past? Okay, just focus on future, just focus on preparation, just focus on study, understand the concepts, revise the previous subjects, solve gate pyqs, attempt the test series, attempt the weekly quizzes. Okay, that's it. These things, if you do consistently till the gate exam, many of you will become gate 2027 toppers. Okay, and we will feel proud of you. We will feel very happy. And also, of course, your RGUKT mentors, teachers, okay, all of them, they will also feel, happy and proud of, and of course your life will be completely changed. Gate exam can change your complete life, I can tell you. Okay, so just it's just a matter of 8 or 9 months. You just put your best efforts. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining, and again, thank you Umesh for joining.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think, sir, a few words I would like to add. See, we have started with you will in the initial period of gate preparation. There will be many people competing for gate, but there will be very few people who maintain that consistency and that dedication at the end, and those are the people who come out to be the toppers. So please maintain that dedication and that consistency, so that you will be like they are the ones who come out to be the toppers in the at the end. So maintain dedication and that discipline towards gate. And please, I think in our college we have plenty of free time, and there will be no one. And in Nojuida especially, we will have library till 11:30 or 12, as far as I know. Please utilize that, and please prepare for gate. It will open your doors, it will open your doors to many other opportunities, and it will also change your life. So I would like to add all these things. And try to stay consistent and stay disciplined, and be if you do all these things, and you will be among those top 100 rankers of gate. That's it from my side, sir.
Thank you Umesh. So see you all in the next mentorship session. Okay, I will announce in the WhatsApp group for RGUKT Gate 2027 students of Go classes. Okay, in that WhatsApp group, I will announce the next mentorship session, and feel free to discuss your doubts with us. The non-technical doubts, the doubts related to guidance, mentorship, you can discuss. You can discuss in the WhatsApp group. Okay,
Yes, sir.
RGUKT
Even
WhatsApp group.
I'll answer at any time. I'll answer them at any time. You please feel free. If you can't share that in group, you can share it to me personally, so that I can help you people. There's nothing
Thank you.
like I'll not do that. I'll happily reply you people.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss. Thank you so much. Okay. So see you in the next mentorship session. Okay. Thank you.